Welcome back to Rider Zone, the place where we explore the most powerful, luxurious, and extreme vehicles on the planet. Today's video is something truly special, built for those who dream beyond normal roads and ordinary campers. In this full detailed review, we are diving deep into the 2026 Ford F-550 6x6 armored camper, a beast that combines military-grade toughness, off-road dominance, and high-end luxury into one unstoppable machine. So sit back, relax, and let us take a full journey into this ultimate overland monster. The 2026 Ford F-550 6x6 armored camper is not just a truck, and it's not just a camper. It is a survival vehicle, an expedition rig, and a luxury home on wheels all at once. Built on the legendary Ford F-550 Super Duty platform, this 6x6 conversion takes durability and traction to a whole new level. The additional axle transforms the truck into a true all-terrain vehicle, capable of handling deserts, mountains, snow, mud, war-zone roads, and extreme wilderness with confidence and control. Under the hood, the 2026 F-550 6x6 is powered by a massive 6.7-liter power-stroke V8 turbo diesel engine. This engine is known worldwide for its reliability and raw torque. In this configuration, it produces immense pulling power, delivering over 475 horsepower and an earth-moving torque figure that exceeds 1,050 lb-ft. This means the armored camper can carry heavy protection, luxury interiors, water tanks, fuel reserves, and equipment without breaking a sweat. Whether climbing steep rocky trails or cruising on highways, the engine remains calm, strong, and responsive. The 6x6 drivetrain is one of the biggest highlights of this vehicle. Power is distributed across all 6 wheels through a heavy-duty transfer case, reinforced drive shafts, and locking differentials. This setup dramatically improves traction and stability, especially when driving through sand dunes, deep snow, or muddy terrain. Even if one or two wheels lose grip, the remaining wheels continue pushing forward, making this camper nearly unstoppable. For serious overland explorers and security-focused travelers, this drivetrain is a game changer. Now let us talk about armor, because this is where the F-550 6x6 truly separates itself from ordinary campers. The armored camper shell and cab are protected with ballistic steel plating and composite armor panels. Depending on configuration, protection levels can range from civilian armored standards to military-grade ballistic resistance. The armored glass is thick, multi-layered, and designed to withstand high-impact threats while still offering clear visibility. This level of protection makes the camper ideal for diplomats, remote explorers, journalists, or anyone traveling through high-risk or extreme environments. Despite the heavy armor, Ford engineers and custom builders have ensured that suspension and braking systems are fully upgraded. The 2026 model features reinforced heavy-duty suspension with custom leaf springs, advanced shock absorbers, and optional air suspension systems. This helps maintain ride comfort while supporting the added weight of armor and camper equipment. The braking system is also enhanced with larger ventilated disc brakes, high-performance calipers, and electronic brake assist, ensuring safe stopping power even when fully loaded. Moving to the exterior design, the 2026 Ford F-550 6x6 armored camper looks intimidating and purposeful. The front end features a bold Ford Super Duty grille, often reinforced with a heavy steel bull bar for protection against obstacles and wildlife. LED lighting surrounds the vehicle, including roof-mounted light bars, side floodlights, and rear work lights. These lights make night driving and off-grid camping safer and more convenient. The massive off-road tires are mounted on reinforced wheels, designed to handle sharp rocks and heavy loads without failure. The camper module itself is built with aerospace-grade materials and insulated panels, ensuring durability and thermal efficiency. It is designed to withstand extreme temperatures, from freezing mountain climates to scorching desert heat. External storage compartments are integrated into the camper walls, providing secure space for tools, recovery gear, and supplies. There is also a rear ladder and roof rack system, allowing access to solar panels, storage boxes, or observation platforms. Now let us step inside, because the interior of this armored camper is where rugged strength meets luxury comfort. As you enter the camper, you immediately feel the solid build quality. Everything is designed to be functional, secure, and comfortable for long-term living. The layout is spacious, intelligently planned, and surprisingly cozy given the vehicle's armored nature. The living area features premium seating with high-quality upholstery, often leather or military-grade fabric designed for durability. The seating can convert into a sleeping area, making efficient use of space. LED ambient lighting creates a warm and modern atmosphere, while large reinforced windows allow natural light to enter without compromising safety. The sleeping area includes a full-size bed or convertible sleeping system, depending on configuration. The mattress is designed for long-term comfort, making extended expeditions feel like home rather than survival. Overhead storage cabinets and side compartments provide plenty of space for clothing, equipment, and personal items. The kitchen area is fully equipped, making this camper perfect for off-grid living. It includes a compact but functional kitchenette with an induction cooktop, microwave, refrigerator, and sink with hot and cold water. Water storage tanks are large enough to support long journeys, and advanced filtration systems ensure clean drinking water even in remote locations. The bathroom is another impressive feature. Unlike basic campers, this armored F-550 includes a fully enclosed bathroom with a shower, toilet, and sink. Hot water is supplied through a diesel or electric water heater, allowing comfortable showers even in cold climates. Ventilation systems ensure moisture control and odor management. Technology plays a big role in the 2026 Ford F-550 6x6 armored camper. The cabin is equipped with a modern control panel that manages lighting, power systems, water levels, temperature, and security features. Solar panels on the roof feed a high-capacity battery bank, allowing the camper to operate independently without relying on external power. There is also a backup generator for extended off-grid use. Climate control is handled by a powerful heating and air conditioning system designed for extreme environments. Whether you're parked in the desert or high in the mountains, the interior remains comfortable and livable. Advanced insulation and soundproofing also reduce noise from the engine and outside environment, creating a peaceful interior space. Safety and security are at the heart of this vehicle. In addition to ballistic armor, the camper can be equipped with surveillance cameras, night vision systems, GPS tracking, satellite communication, and emergency alert systems. This makes the vehicle suitable not just for adventure, but also for critical missions and remote operations. On the road, the 2026 Ford F-550 6x6 armored camper feels surprisingly stable and confident. While it is undeniably massive, the upgraded steering, suspension, and electronic driver assistance systems help manage its size. Advanced traction control, hill descent control, and off-road driving modes allow the driver to adapt to different terrains with ease. Fuel capacity is another strong point. Extended fuel tanks allow for long driving ranges, reducing the need for frequent refueling in remote areas. Combined with the diesel engine's efficiency, this camper is designed for serious long-distance travel. Who is this vehicle? For the 2026 Ford F-550 6x6 armored camper is built for those who demand absolute reliability, safety, and independence. It is ideal for extreme overlanders, security professionals, explorers, and anyone who wants to travel the world without limits. This is not a typical RV, it is a mobile fortress with the comfort of a luxury apartment. In terms of pricing, this kind of vehicle sits in the premium category. Depending on armor level, interior customization, and technology packages, the cost can reach well into the high six figures. However, for those who need this level of protection and capability, it offers unmatched value and peace of mind. To wrap it all up, the 2026 Ford F-550 6x6 armored camper represents the ultimate combination of power, protection, and luxury. It is built to go anywhere, survive anything, and keep its occupants safe and comfortable no matter the conditions. From its powerful diesel engine and unstoppable 6x6 drivetrain to its armored shell and fully equipped living space, this vehicle sets a new standard for extreme campers. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most extreme campers in the world, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Rider Zone, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2026 Ford F-550 6x6 armored camper and where you would take it on your ultimate adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one on Rider Zone.